it's pretty much prison's been on the sidelines through my family since I was little. That's about all I've ever known is the streets and jail.
So every issue gets dealt with in here. As soon as I come in, I get all my dentistry work caught up with. All medical stuff, psychological stuff. I've got access to counsellors.
So what is it about prison that makes you want to come back? Is it that?
I never wanted to come back, but I hate society, and admittedly in here, I get attention for things that I want to look at. On the outside, in any drug counselling I've done, dealing with chemists, dealing with doctors, there's a certain stigma that's attached to you being open enough and to admit that you're an opiate user, whereas in here, that sort of all gets stripped away when you come through the door.
So I'm coming up for release soon. It's scaring me a bit.
Is it?
I'm apprehensive, I suppose what it is, about getting out, because I don't really have anything out there. Like, I've got my kids and that's about it.
Oh, you've got kids?
Yeah, I've got 5.
5 kids?
Yeah.
And you'll be pleased to see them? Or?
I will be.
Yeah.
I haven't seen them since I come in.
It doesn't worry me not seeing my son. Emotionally it does, but in a practical sense, it doesn't worry me seeing my son once even or twice a year. And I think it's important that he gets on with his life and learns that this is what his life is about for the next 20 years. He's not going to have a dad to really support him and all that type of thing. That's hard, but at the same time, you've got to come to terms with it.